Alright, good afternoon. We've started. There we go. Got the correct screen. I did actually unmute myself this time, which is lovely. I'm just gonna dive into it. My plan today is to make the most basic application ever, at least. Which is just the default random number guesser. Like a standard if you're learning the program. And for that, I need to be able to read an input. Let mute buffer string new, okay. Theoretically that seems pretty easy. Hang on, like that? Yeah, there we go. So you want a new buffer. Yeah, that's where we'll save the thing. Save the input and we go let std in. Input output std in. Yeah. Oh shit, no, I should yeah, that's right, I should import that before I actually do anything with it. Use stdio. Cannot find std. Oh right, because I cannot type std in. There we go. Wonderful. And then we should go std in dot read underscore line. Yeah, we're passing along the mutable buffer. I should probably save that variable. Yeah, we should probably do that. Let's go to the start, I said. Let input equals that, and then we say yeah, print line. We'll make a new line. It's gonna be whatever called input. Actually, no, wait, if I'm correct, it's gonna be saved in the buffer. And we don't need to save this. Alright, let's see. Warning bimbo, it generated one warning. Result make okay. So it should be like underscore. Like you can be saved in a completely unnecessary thing. Then in here we say like let's enter 10. Yeah, right, it does tell us 10. Okay, then what we need to do is convert that into string to int in Rust. We need to get the input and make sure it's gonna be an integer. And the way now to convert a string and int is to get a slice of it and use from string. You can direct convert, parse. Okay, so you have the parse method. Let number equals my underscore string. Oh, sorry, that's just the buffer. Dot parse. We want 32 bits, and we want to unwrap it. Returns the contained OK value, consuming the cell value. Yes, please. And then, no, we don't want to remove the whole line. We just want to go number. Alright, so we go over here. We say, hey, it's 4. Oh, fuck. Alright, they panicked, called result unwrap on an error value, parse int error, kind invalid digit. That's interesting. This parse it will either be an error if the string couldn't be parsed as a type. Yeah, that's not the case here. Returns result core in. Oh, you do have to try. Okay, that actually makes sense. So it should be like dot trim. Okay. So buffer dot trim dot parse. Okay. And actually, let's try that again. But now let's input test. Just something wrong, and it says like, hey, there's an error in there. All right, that makes sense. So let's see if we actually want to make the guess again. What we do need to do, we make the random one. We generate a random number that's over here. And then in here, we should go. Actually, hold on. Let's number. Oh, what we can do is let guessed correctly equals false. And then while not guessed correctly, so while that's false, we're gonna basically be repeating this. Let me just format this. Can I format the whole thing? I save it? No? Right, that's kind of annoying, not gonna lie. Alright, and if we just test it, it could go like 40, and then it goes to 20. Yeah, okay, so I can just basically input while I want to. We have the number. We say if number is smaller than none, we go print line. It's guessed number is smaller than the target. And at the, oh shit, at the end we add semicolon. Then we just copy these. And down here we paste them. We need to swap this one around. And guess number is bigger than the target. And we go if the number equals num, we can go print line. You guessed correctly. And we say guessed correctly equals true. True. All right. Well, cannot assign twice to immutable. Oh right. Okay, that's right because we made it immutable. Where is it? It's over here. This. Oh. Good job, me. Let's do this correctly. We go 17 lines up, 1 down because I can't count. And we make this mutable. How about that? Okay. So if we enter like 50, the guess number is bigger than the target. Oh no! We go down to 20. Guess number is smaller than the target. And then we go to 35. And we guessed it correct. Oh damn. Okay, nice. Honestly, that went really smoothly. It does deserve a sip of coffee. I can't believe I'm drinking coffee in this fucking weather. It's way too hot. Okay. So just like having the easiest input-output thing ever worked. So let's up the game a bit. Pokédex API. If I remember correctly, there is an API. Yes, there is. I remember using this a lot. Not to actually make something useful, but just to try out my own. I like using this for like a basic test, honestly. Just making a first program in something. Okay, what if I just want to get a list of Pokemon? Because honestly, that should be the first start. Moves, location, games, evolutions. No, just Pokemon. Okay, well, Pokemon. Is there anything in here? Pokemon creatures. Yeah, thank you. They're called using yes. But this is more about getting like specific Pokemon. What if I want to get a range of them? Poke ability, Poke type, Pokemon locations, forms, languages, flavor text, and common models. Okay. Poke API get list of Pokemon. Only shows the name of the Pokemon. How can the amount of data for a single Pokemon is already immense. Okay, so what if I go over here and I go like I want 251 Pokemon. Yeah, then it just gives me a list of 251 Pokemon. Who would have guessed? Exactly what we want. Okay. So. Whew. Okay, let's start out with Rust web call. We just want to do like a simple web call. Calling a web API. Thank you very much. Queries with request, get all users, yada yada yada. Alright, so they are using Tokyo. Well, we already have that implemented in this. Let me just, because I'm proud of this. Oh, there's no main loop. It will probably crash pretty. Oh shit! Crash pretty badly because we don't have main. We don't have any main thing. So let's go back to a new main function main. And we just start out with a simple print line test. Let me just remove these two as well and paste them down here. Alright, there we go. We got a simple print out that says test. So, first things first, we're gonna go make the URL. Let's request. Okay, we wanna use. Actually, we don't need to use Tokyo apparently. We don't need a call that we're explicitly using it. We just can go hashtag Tokyo main. With this being our main loop. We need to make sure it's async, so the program knows it's going to be an async thing. And we want a result. So we're either going to return a function or an error. Okay, we need to declare what error is. Oh no, we don't need to do that over here, we do it over here. We're just gonna use std error, fmt colon error. There we go. Alright, then what we're gonna do is say request URL equals, I don't know why we're formatting, oh, I do know why we're formatting this. Okay, let's see. Basically gonna be this. Paste that. Actually, I feel like this could be a string as well, but it doesn't really matter. Actually, just because, you know, we have the format, we might as well. We go amount, and over here we say amount equals 200, as a string 251. Save it, let's see if there's errors, expected that, find unit type. You're not really returning anything yet, so we're just gonna be returning an empty OK, just so you stop complaining. Lovely. Okay, how does this work? We need client. Let client equals request client new. And this is probably gonna complain that request isn't a thing. Is no thing. So what we probably need is to import that. So we go request Rust. Let's see. Request create provides a convenient high-level HTTP client. Wait, what does this copy for me? Oh, just request. Thank you. Can I... Request crates. Yeah, I wanna see what like the versions are. What do we have? Okay, so in theory, if we go over here... Oh, I think I should have this in my buffer yet. Yeah, there we go. I'll keep that for now. But we'll go request equals 0.0.12.2. We save it. Go back to this one. Save this one again. And see if it's still complaining. Waiting for it to install all the changes. Alright. That's lovely. Is it complaining about anything? Could not find OpenSSL. Oh, do I not have OpenSSL installed here? Oh, no matter, we can do that easily. Oh, let me go over here. We can stop this and we go sudo. Sudo apt-get install OpenSSL. There's your password. It already is there. Okay. That's interesting. Could not find directory of OpenSSL, and this syscrate cannot proceed without its knowledge. If OpenSSL is installed in this crate, had trouble finding it, you can set the OpenSSL environment for the compilation process. Interesting. Alright. Just request OpenSSL. I don't care. Possible to remove the very confusing request build. Just request can't find OpenSSL. Depends on OpenSSL. I don't really care why the dependency is there. Currently attempting to compile rest code using whatever. Looks like you're hitting semi with Alpine is defining as okay. If you're in a situation where you think your directory should be found automatically, please open a bug and include information about your system as well as this message. This syscrate cannot proceed without this knowledge. If OpenSSL is installed and this crate has trouble finding it. Alright, so we're just gonna cancel this and I think it's which open SSL. User bin OpenSSL, okay. Rust set open SSL. Their environment variable. Specify. Okay, so this should be in the. Yeah, I think this should be in the. Where is it? The TOML file. Can we just go env? Sorry, env equals open SSL. Oh, sorry, in there. Open SSL underscore there equals bin. Sorry, just bin. Just wrong user bin. Open SSL. Oh, sorry, open SSL. That one. Let's save it. Switch over to this one. Run it again. Filter parse manifest. Dependency specified we are preferring a local path get repo version of workspace dependency. Rest declaring environmental variable. How do we do that? How does this work? I do not know. Let's see. First field test. I don't care. Working with environmental. Yeah, okay. Where is this environmental variable you're talking about? How do I declare such a thing? Envar, okay. Is it looking for my system? System var? I mean, I'd assume I do them in TOML. Names your current. Oh wait, I just okay. That makes sense actually. So it should be like env, and then we just remove these and this one. Save it. Make sure you have the development package. Oh wait. Open SSL development package Debian. Lib. Okay, that makes sense actually. That's a good name. So we go back to OpenSSL-dev. libSSL. libSSL dev. Oh, I forgot an L over there. Okay. Big L on my part. Okay, so theoretically they should be added now. Let me just go back over here. Remove these. There we go. Crap. It didn't expect to actually work. But work it did. Okay, that's fine. Okay, back to this one. I'm so fucking sweaty. It's no fun. Okay. So then we actually do the request. We say let response equals client dot get request URL. Wait, what? Oh shit. Let's undo that. Did a little oopsie. I'm just not gonna send any headers. And we're gonna wait for a response. Over here we're gonna say let Pokemon equals Actually, we're just gonna equal like response. Oh no, not that one. Response dot JSON dot await and print line. Don't really care about what's in there, and we got Pokemon. And now it's complaining JSON doesn't exist. You can convert into FMSTD error. Trace from request is not implemented for ST. Okay. Request here. Okay, because we can't just use standard error. We have to use that error. So we go request dash colon error. Restrict response and current. Actually, let me just get rid of that. What do we have in response? Let's see what's in there. Error URL, content length, extension, chunk. Do you have anything that like byte status, update text, gets the full response text? Request rust JSON? Are you able to just get back a JSON response, something like that? The optional features, I am more interested about the response. What's in here? Status version, header mutable, content length, cookies, URL, extensions. The text method decodes response with bomb sniffing with the mail form. Okay. Char set features disabled method will. Okay. Text with char set. This should be a JSON. Like it is talking about having a JSON result. Except we don't really have that. For some reason. Do we need... Oh shit, come back here. I don't want it gone. Do we need to like talk about anything in what we expect in a return? Request no method named JSON for struct response. Request JSON response to get. Oh, we need to explicitly say that we want that. Okay. Actually makes sense. Alright. So what we want is that. And we go features equals JSON. JSON. Oh, wait. But, oh, version. I didn't declare any types for this, so that makes sense. We go version equals that. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. It gives an error. The trade bound Serde deserialized owned is not satisfied. He's unsatisfied, but about what? Help. The following orders implement full yada yada. Notice error might have caused changes to root type info CSU. Okay. Interesting. Oh shit, it has. Hello, ads. How you doing? Okay. What if we just go for text? That's a lot of response though. Okay. What I am suspecting is happening. It needs to know how to map them. For now, what we're gonna do is just make a new struct over here. A struct Pokemon. And honestly, it's just gonna be name. It's a string. Oh, I think I did this incorrectly. Oh shit, wait, where's my mouse? What did I do? Alright, no matter. Right about that, okay, so we go over here. Okay, you're gonna be a vector of Pokemon. Trade-bound Pokemon, yada yada, is not... okay. Do you do anything important over here? Oh! Derive, yeah, okay. Makes sense. That makes a lot of sense. We need to tell it that it can deserialize and debug just in case. And then over here we go use Serde to deserialize. Unresolved import Serde, okay. Serde equals, okay. Let's have a look into Serde. What are you? Serde rust. Version. Alright, we're just gonna go 1.0.219. Let's go back to this one. David cannot derive macro deserialize in this scope. You what? Cannot find the derive macro deserialize in this scope. Deserialize imported, but it's only a trait without derive. Deserialize is imported here, but it's only a trait without derive macro. Let's go. I love it when I'm not the only one with a problem. Make sure, yeah, there we go. It's in the TOML file again. So we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna go version equals that, and we wanna have the features derive. And we go back to this one. Field name is never read. Pokemon has derived input. Okay. Alright, but that's just some warnings. We don't really care that much about the warnings. Invalid map expected a sequence. Okay, I think what it's complaining about is that we don't map the whole thing because we don't have the URL defined. So URL is gonna be, yeah, that's just another string. Running it, test, error, kind, decode, source, expected, invalid type, map, expected a sequence. That's interesting. What does it show me? Line 1, column 0? Yeah, that doesn't really tell us anything. Alright, it does print the test. Actually, let's wait. Hold on, what? First analyzer, proc maker, create, build. Data is... Okay. Let's see what's going on. Fields in the struct, name, fields, name and URL never used. Okay, but that's... we're still working on that, don't worry. Pokemon has a drive for the debug, but it's intentionally ignored during dead code analysis. Yep. Warn dead code on by default. Okay, sure. Pokédex bin, Pokédex generated one warning. Alright, warnings can be ignored. Request, error, kind, decode, sources, error, invalid type, map, expected as sequence. Expected as sequence. Oh, wait, okay. So that's Pokemon, but we also have, let's see, how do we define this? Struct basic response. You also need to derive from deserialize. We have a struct basic response. And this should be oh no, not there. We have a count that's let's make an iter2, just, you know, whatever. Next have a string. Previous, that could be any, honestly. Oh shit, that's too much. I just want to remove all of these. Okay. Request look into request map from key. Header map implement try from hash map key. Request help with request. Request boo. How do we even look for this? Let's see. Request JSON look into one key. Using request, adding a JSON feature. Bread tastes better. What? Bread tastes better than key. I'm gonna take your word for it. I never tasted keys, but I will take your word for it. How's it going, Ace? Hello. Using request, you can get response. Adding JSON, yeah, okay. But what I am complaining about is I don't want. It's true. I will take your word for it. I haven't really tasted keys. I'm gonna assume it tastes kind of metally. You know, just that like still metal taste. I mean, if you guys are into that, I'm gonna take your word for it. But I do prefer the normal bread. Also, hello, East Hollow. How's it going? I am struggling out here. Okay, hang on. I got a stupid idea. What if I just go very easy. We just ignore most of these. We just say you're gonna get results within there, a vector of Pokemon. So it's gonna be results. It's gonna be vec Pokemon. Oh, if I only could type results. There we go. Okay, and then over here you're not gonna get a vector of Pokemon. What you are going to get is a basic response. Basic response doesn't. Okay, you can have a debug if you want to. Ugh. Fucking complainer. Just finished the first part of your PC building stream. That's cool. You're building just new PC for yourself or for somebody else? How are you doing this? Because that does sound cool. Oh my god, look at that. Look at all this Pokemon. Let's actually, because we have this, let's print the second one. This is work count index into a value of. Oh yeah, that's correct. Technically both. Wait, what? How does that work? That second PKM equals Pokemon. Oh wait, better idea. What if we just add dot hang on, u dot response. Is this allowed? I don't think it is. No, it is not. Okay, instead of Pokemon, we're gonna go result, and then over here we say let Pokemon equals. Dang it! Wrong buttons. Wrong fucking buttons. There we go. Result dot results. Over here we can get Pokemon 1. How badly is this gonna go? Let me just go over here. Oh, there we go. Ivysaur with the URL. That's lovely. Old one goes to someone else, but they're not doing well with money, so I'm keeping it for now. Prop dual PC cell. Oh, that's nice. I've been looking into updating my CPU because I'm running like an Intel i5, which is just, you know, objectively horrible at this stage. I'm not sure what I'll do with my old one, so I was thinking about building a second PC as well, just for streaming. But yeah, that's an extra expense, and it's gonna take a while for me to get the money together. Yeah, I know. In my defense, I bought it like 5 years ago, and it's been serving me pretty good ever since. It's just gonna get outdated, but I do want to update to Horizon. Yeah, definitely. Okay, but right now we have like a big list of Pokemon, 251 to be exact. Build a rally point. You always need to build a rally point. Okay, so we have the big list. Now what I want to do, we're just gonna let mutable stop program equals false, and while stop program is false, we're gonna be capturing. Oh no, we're not gonna print that. That's gonna go infinite. Okay. Then yeah, let's just start getting input, like allowing the user to do some input. So what we first of all need to do is get std.io, the input-output stiff. And then over here, we're gonna get the input. Do you grind Germans or Russians today or War Thunder? Depends. depends. How far are you on both? Why did it type MTG? Not mut. Probably because I have been playing Magic. Let mutable input. Input buffer equals. Why am I typing? I could just copy all of this. We have buffer. Yeah, okay. So we just copy these 4 lines. We go a little bit up, and we paste them down here. And you can be gone. And over here, we don't want this. Let's input. Actually, I don't think we need to parse this. It should already. No, let's parse it. We go print line buffer. I want to see what's in the buffer. And top tier on Germany, mid tier on Russians. Well, you might wanna finish off Germany before you go on to the Russians, I guess. That's what I do, I think. You went from I want to update CPU, only CPU. Yeah, yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking at. Hang on, I think I still have. I have the list on. Where's my PC part picker? Give me a second. PC part picker. There we go. Because yeah, you need to change your motherboard for obvious reasons. If you're going from Intel, and then it's like, oh yeah, I bought my DDR4 memory 4 years ago, or 3 years. But yeah, now I also need a new memory. And wait, my power is kind of under, my whole setup is kind of underpowered, so I might as well add a new PSU. So yeah, I'm Oh yeah, you have exactly the same. It's a good deal since yeah. I mean, my memory is pretty good. Like I got like 4 SSDs and 2 terabytes hard drive, so I'm doing pretty good on that. And my GPU broke like a year ago, so I had to buy a new one. So those are pretty up to date. But yeah, it's like a lot extra that you gotta add just for a simple CPU update. Right, is this allowed? Yeah, okay. This apparently is allowed. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so if I go like this. If I go like 12, it prints 12 back. Okay, so that all seems to be fine. Hard focus Germany. Yeah, just get Germany done. That's what I'd say. Alright, first of all, I want to make sure we can actually quit the program. So, mutable buffer. Okay, what we're going to do is if... Oh, I don't need... If buffer equals Q. Just missing the AAs. Yeah, just finish off those AAs, man. So program equals true. Okay, so theoretically, if I type Q, oh no, it's not quitting. Why isn't it quit? Oh, I think what I do need to do. Oh shit. Oh yeah, I know. Let input equals buffer.trim. We need to, I think it adds some white space in various places. So we need to remove the white space. And if input... Alright, so we do Q and now it stopped. Okay, lovely. We wanna... There's actually 2 things that I wanna do. Okay, I am going to make a new function. I don't think I need to have this async. we're just gonna go function print results. It's gonna be passed a vector vec of Pokemon, which I'm writing this wrong way around. Results vec Pokemon, and it's not gonna return anything. We're gonna go get the results. We're gonna go. We don't need to order it or anything. We just wanna iter. Yeah, we wanna iterate over it. Oh no, not mutable, just iterate. Yeah. I think it was like 4 res in that. We're just gonna print them for now. We're gonna print res. Save it. Let's see how badly we fucked up. Slightly, but that's fine. I forgot to do this. That's acceptable. Okay. Okay, I see how it is. So, if we do it like this. Okay, that's at least not an error. In that case, we're just gonna go... print underscore results. And we're just gonna... I'm just gonna pass them all the Pokemon. Save it. Moved value. Value moved here in previous iterations of the loop. Oh, we need to pass it by reference. Mismatch type, expected struct, found reference. Yeah, we can just pass the reference. We're not gonna change it anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so it does indeed print all the Pokemon. But what we want is res.name. We don't care about the results, we just want to have the name. And in any case, we don't need this. Let's see if this gives an error. I don't think it should. Yeah, okay. Okay, so right now... oh, wrong screen. We get the list of all the Pokemon, and we just pass it to the print results. And the print results prints it. Okay, then else. Oh shit. So, right now I want to have 2 inputs. We have Q to quit program. After that, I want to have Pokemon. Basically, I want to be able to search through the list of all the Pokemon and get all the ones that match the string. So, what we're gonna get, gonna make a new function. Gonna go fn filter Pokemon. It's gonna expect the Pokemon, which will be... Let's see, how do you want to do this? Yeah, we're gonna pass the vector of all the Pokemon, just all of them. Pokemon. And we're gonna pass search. We're gonna call it query. I think that's gonna be a string. I'm just gonna print. Just make sure we're passing it. So we go query equals query. There we go. So right now, yeah, you're not being used. Doesn't matter. We're gonna go filter Pokemon. We just passed the Pokemon that we already have. Except we are typing it different because we're built different. And in here we're gonna say input. Expect the string found string. Oh yeah, we need to create a new string. So we go string from inputs, save it. Use of move value moved here. What are you complaining about? Consider so it's only moved once. Oh, it does take ownership of it. Yeah. But we can just pass it by reference. Because we just want to keep the original in memory. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, it does make sense. We're just keeping the original one in memory. You can borrow it. Do your thing. After that, we can just leave it untouched, basically. Okay, let's see. So if we go... oh, shit. Insert here. We go Pokey. And it passes Pokey. Pokey. Okay. Okay, so over here we have like the vector. Then let's see how we do this. Const result equals. We just create a new vector. Vec. We're just gonna make a new one. Vec new. And we're just gonna make sure it is a Vec with Pokemon in it. Oh, save it. And you are actually going to be returning a Vec with Pokemon. So let's just go result here. Oh shit. Result. No semicolon because we don't need that. Let's see. It's not crashing at least. Okay, so then we should we can just for res in Pokemon.iter if res dot if res dot name dot contains returns true if the given pattern matches a subslice of this string slice. Okay. So if you enter a query, we say, oh shit, result dot push res. Check that Pokemon mismatch type expected Pokemon. Oh, I think we need to clone this. So we create a new Pokemon. Mismatch type expected Pokemon found. Sync pattern is not. Nani? Bound SC string Pokemon pattern is not satisfied, requiring. What do you require? Not implement clone, so some Pokemon was cloned. Okay. Oh, but instead this, what we can do. Say Pokemon. The name will be res.name and the URL will be res.url. Oh shit, okay, there's ads coming up. I'm gonna grab something to drink. I will be back in but a minute. And we're back. Okay, let's see. You apparently don't need it. What if we just give it like a normal STR? Actually, we need to... Why can't I hit the ampersand? Because it's on... over here and down here, we actually converted from a string to uppercase string. But I don't think we need that. Alright, what if we say string from, we just make a new string. Is this allowed? Cannot move out of res, which is behind the shared value. Yeah, but it's not shared, we're taking ownership of it. Cannot move out of rest, which is behind a shared value. Okay. Can I... I don't think I can go like... Expected fact, found global dat, mismatch types, yes. Oh, sorry, wrong way. And like this, it has other problems. Cannot move, which is behind the shared reference. Okay, but I don't think you're a reference right now. Right, let me just return all that. Can I go, clone? Yeah, we can clone that. Oh, that makes sense, actually. String from that dot, oh shit, dot, oh, insert dot, not dot, why am I typing dot? It doesn't make any sense. Well, I do more stuff that doesn't make sense, so, you know. Clone. Expected found struct string. What? Expected value got struct string? Oh, yeah, sorry. There we go. There we go. Okay. So it is getting all this stuff. Let's get that printed line out of here. So over here we say let's filtered result equals that, and then we should be able to go print results, and we actually just pass filtered results to that, and then it's probably gonna complain, yeah, it's not the right type. So now we can just pass the reference. I mean, it's giving us a lot of warnings, but no errors. So if I go jolt, it doesn't do anything. Dang it. I mean, it does conclude that what we're asking it is jolt. Print line query. Let's go over here. So if we just go, yeah, I want to print a result over here. Oh yeah, sorry, I did forget to add a semicolon over there. So what does it do now if we say jolt? Alright, so it does find something. It should push it to result, and it yeah, it should return that. So why doesn't it? Okay, let's look at the length. Print line len filtered result dot length dot len. Oh, it's just len. Okay. Length is 0. Okay. Why is the length 0? Does it not get pushed properly? Is that it? Would be surprising, honestly. Okay, let's go over here. We say print line yoink result dot len. Let's go back. Alright, so it seems like it's not actually adding it to result for some reason. Okay, let's have a look. What is this value? If we go print line wanna go string from res.name.clone. Alright, it does find it, like it knows it's talking about Jolteon, but for some reason it doesn't seem to be added to the vector. That's kind of weird. Alright. So if I go result, let's add an extra print line. Length now, noppen now. We do it like this, and we say result.len. Okay, that's interesting. Because do I need to make you mutable? No, right? You're already mutable. Maybe. Const globals. Oh wait, are you something? Const found Pokemon. Oh wait, you're constant. You should be a lad. Being an idiot. Do not compile Pokédex, bin Pokédex, cannot borrow result as mutable, it's not declared. Oh, that makes sense. Because you're not mutable. Alright, that's me programming too much. Okay. And then we go back, we enter, oh, sorry, Q. No, no. There we go. And we enter Q, and it says like, hey, we're finished, we're done. Okay, well. Honestly? Seems pretty good. Seems pretty darn good. That was less than 1.5 hours, and we've made like a very easy search function for Pokédex. We're getting all relevant 251 Pokemon, and we're able to filter through them. Let me also remove that one. So let's so if I say, hey, everything that has ivy in there, there's one of them. Everything that has you. Oh, Smoochum. I love Smoochum. Oh, Pikachu, Raichu, Pichu. Okay, nice. Let me just remove some print lines. This is all old. You're printing the result, that's fine. Okay. So theoretically, the only thing we should ever return is the test doesn't return anything, which is kind of logical. Go back to the chew, and we get a chew as well. Okay. Alright, so I just want to have one more thing, which is I also want to show the number. I want to show the number of the Pokemon. That should be in printed results. So let's go to definition. Oh, I did it. Okay. Rust gets part of a string. Get a substring. Rust get part of string. Can I go like by glop? Substring between two pairs. I think we're gonna have to use like start position is some start position soar. No. Yeah, okay. Pattern in glop. Let's see, struct pattern. Yeah, but that's not really for. It's fine. You know what? I'm just gonna switch over to Enlisted. Like, bullet plan. I got done what I wanted to do. Making like the first actual thing in Rust. Let me. Hang on, what's changed here? Just make sure I didn't screw anything up. Running cargo run. Yeah, so if I go back to Jolteon or Joe or Ho. Oh, there's a lot of Ho's. That's what C said. Yeah, okay, so we can just quit everything. And we're gonna start up Enlisted. We're gonna play some Enlisted. Enlisted is the event grindy. Category will be Enlisted. Yoink. Done. Where's the screen? There's a screen. Oh, lovely. I'm gonna get some things removed from the background here. Okay, just 1 second. I need to change over here. Edit. Title is Ish. Category will be games. Game title will be that. Beep. Boop. And there we go. Okay, let's see. What does the Battle Pass require? Quite some stuff. Actually, let's just switch over to BR5, Andy. I'm feeling some BR5 today. Germany still, Japan's on BR2. Let's switch that out. Any army, let's fucking get it. Is there anything here? Complete, get a better hero, get tank or aircraft skills, and cap 1 point. Well, capping 1 point can be annoying, but I'm sure we'll manage. Gonna be approved. We're defending. Well, that's sad news for our capture point, but the others should be pretty doable. I don't remember if this one... I think they go like back here and somewhere back here. I don't know. Alright, let's get a rally going. I am going to build one back here. It's not the best placement, but it is a placement. This first point is hard anyway, so we might as well just go over here. There we go. Just in time to fight the fascists. Hello there. Oh fuck. I thought the nade fell outside. Okay, we dodged it. Most of the boys are done anyway. Are we? Oh shit. Jumped out the wrong side. Come on, let me climb. Thank you, Enlisted. Alright, I died. Never mind, it's fine. Well, we do have plenty of spawns up. Maybe should build one over there, but for now I'm gonna... I should have spawned into a tank or an airplane. Something like that. Are we still getting it? Oh shit, no. That's the flamethrower. Fuck. Okay, thank god. Kill it. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Flamethrowers are scary. That's fine, we got him. Enemy air up. Do we have any airplanes? Yeah, we have one airplane. Fly killer, he better be killing them flyers. Oh, shit. Oh, they're over there. They probably do have a spawn like back here. Oh. Oh god. I hear the spawn. We're just gonna ignore that. SU-7 sounds like a plan. I don't think the enemy plane's a jet. Didn't sound like a jet at least. Alright. Don't put the throttle full out. Please give me some enemy coordinates. The tank is on the wrong side of the building. But if we go for the plane first, we can get the tank afterwards. We have one bomb? Yeah, 1,500 kilogram bomb. Please go down. Thank you very much. Yep. Oh, there's another one. Hang on. I thought we were in the clear. Oh no. Okay, well that was well done of them. Can't deny that. I mainly didn't expect it. We got like we got 2 kills as an aircraft. Maybe the tank will serve us better. Although the team alright, the team's still on the point. Doing fine. Yeah, I can't hit that, man. There's a building in the way. Now we got suicide planes on it, so it's fine. They got it. Nice. Hello there? Or not? Is there... There was a tank, like, back there. I don't know if they got boomed or not. Chances are they have been boomed. Yeah, I got cover on my left flank. We don't have a lot of people on the point though. Oh, the enemy is capping it. I am not patient enough to be a good tanker. Hello there. There we go. Just gonna hope this tank is invincible. Made out of pure stellinium. Oh god, I'm stuck. I can't go through that. I'm gonna pick the tank and I'm gonna die. Hello. Oh, I didn't die. Okay, let's go. Come on, reload faster. Reload faster. Oh my. Only got the radiator? That's some bullshit, man. Okay, whatever. We're just gonna sit in this tank. Be easy bait. And just oh my lord, what's that reload speed? Okay. Never mind. Never fucking... Okay, we got boomed. We'll just bump some more. At some point we'll just get lucky. It's definitely not gonna come down to skill and getting those... Oh, we got 5 kills? Okay. Halfway there. And somebody else is doing good in the tank that also do be helping. That's an enemy plane, isn't it? I think that's a jet, so I'm just gonna assume we're gonna be able to do 1 bomb, and after that we're gonna get hunted down by the jet. I have 6 of them. Alright, I'm gonna throw 3 at the Tonka. Just love 1 kill. Bleh. Alright. Oh, please, let me just get in. I just want to throw down a few bombs. There we go. Oh, those don't count as plane kills because... Oh no, they do count as plane kills. Let's get an APC in. At this point, we can probably park it like behind that building over there. That's usually a pretty good spot. It's also hard to hit from the air because there's buildings around it. Do we need... Yeah, we need... Oh shit, that's not 7. There's my 7. Get down RT. Drive this in here. Your rally points destroyed? No shit. It was like deep in the gray zone. Okay. Go back a little bit. 50? 50 meters? 51 meters. There we go. We're still first of the team for some reason. I don't feel like I even did anything, but that's fine. Let me actually switch over to this. Squad should be assembled at the point. There we go. Make sure to stay there. That's enemy. Oh, they probably do have a spawn over there. Ugly grinding enlisted again. You know what it is, MILF. How you doing, man? Good. Oh shit, behind me. Rude. How you doing? How's your weekend been so far? Ah, I had to jump and everything. I was sure I was gonna get them, but no. Oh god, not a flamethrower. Okay. Good to see. Hey, good to have. Good to see you again as well. Love watching your stream. Ah, that's very kind of you. Thanks, man. Do appreciate kind words always. Oh, that was me fucking up the charge. That's fine. I think they have a spawn like over there, because they keep coming from there. Although there's friendlies there, so I'm gonna make a big assumption and assume my teammates are capable. Come back here. Hello. I have something to show you. There we go. If you want to join in, MILF Hunter, let me know. I'm happy to play any BR. Let's place a spot over there. I'm just wondering where they're coming from. Over there. Could join you for a match too. Hey, nice. Get it. I'll get you in after this game. I don't think you're in my friend list. Sounds fun. Nice. Okay, come on. Let me hit. Oh, there was an enemy plane. I was wondering. Okay, they're probably gonna like assault this position first, seeing where they are coming from. Although we do have quite a lot of friendlies, but they're like in the back of the building. What was that shot? Like, there was a big thing firing from over there. Oh, there's just there's a bloody tank. That makes sense. There we go. SU-9 again. You're gonna get those last 3 plane kills. I think there's enemy plane up as well. I didn't see them get killed, so I'm just assuming they're up and they just flew over. Two tanks. I'll go for that one. Oh, I fucked that up, I think. Where did those bombs land? Ah, no, we didn't fuck it up. We got them perfectly. Love to see it. I need one more? Yeah, one more tank or airplane kill. Come on, Jet. I believe in you. Well, we did hit some. Woo! And we went very low there, but we made it. Time to go for resupplies. Enemy plane bombed as well. I'm wondering if they're on my tail or not. I don't see them. Anyone? No, they might have turned around. Oh, what's that? I did see a little speck. Okay. Yeah, I think we can get this. I'm just hoping they're unaware enough. Oh, they're already down to 200. Respawn? Damn. Come on. Come on. Oh, there's another one. I'm pretty sure this one is a jet, so we're just gonna follow it. The other one doesn't even get a marker. Maybe the player J'd out. Oh, there's the marker. Just lower throttle, combat flaps. Get the turn, get behind him. Come on. These guys. Yeah, we got him. A double kill with those as well. And I'm just wondering where the enemy plane went. It was right below me, wasn't it? Yo, Vivo, how's it going, man? You been enjoying Enlisted? You still playing? You did progress in the game. Nice. How far did you get, man? You were playing USA, right? Like Western Allies? You got the M3 and the infantry spot. You got the grease gun? Nice. That's a pretty good starter weapon. I do have an ongoing feud with somebody who swears by it. But that's a pretty decent gun, especially for the early game. Bonk. Ah, damn it. Okay. They are threatening our rally points over there. Let's just hope it peeks around the corner here. Because I am prepared to face it. Hello. No pen. Nice. Well, somebody else got it. That's good. Let's get Artie over there. But you've been enjoying Enlisted? Oh, my mobile rally point's destroyed. That's rude. Also, both my engineer died there, so I can't build a new rally point now. We'll get it shortly, though. Somebody paradropped into the point. That's fair enough. Please burn. Thank you. You're loving it? Nice, man. It's a really great game. I've been playing for almost 4 years now, and I'm still loving it. Any particular role that you like? Like, are you a tank main, or you building them spawns? Or are you just rushing the point? Oh, there's a tank over there. That's just really shooting a blind shot there. You love sniping? It's a classic. You're an infantry main, Milf? Oh, I got shot, okay. Yeah, I usually, I really like to build rally points and help the team get spawning. Although I do try to be available for any role. But if I get my choice, like if I'm playing with good players, I usually am just running around building spawns, trying to hunt the enemy spawns that kind. Oh, hello there. Please don't see me. There we go. But yeah, the sniping feels really satisfactory. Everything else like 19 plus levels, and your infantry is like 14. I mean, they do have different caps how high they can go. Like there are some squads that can go into the 60s, I believe, and others just cap out at 20 or something. So it doesn't say everything. But yeah, you usually, especially if you're like earlier in the game, you're just grinding out the different squads and stuff. Medic is 21, sniper is 28, and tanks is 39. Damn, that's a lot of levels. Got him. Sorry, just loop. I love the Federal so much. I think I saw something moving that window as well. Hello? Could you like not? Ah, I want that kill. Got him. Oh, stop peeking from the same windows. It's so easy. If somebody's like shooting every time you peek, you need to peek from a different direction. I think it's the last player. They seem to have a few more alive. I saw movement. Come on, pick me again, you bastard. Next window, of course. Ah, okay. Okay, well, that's game over. Alright, you want to join, Milf? I don't think I have you in my friend list, so let me know your username so I can invite you. Getting close to being able to play on my servers? Like right now, I'm doing PR5, and that's a deep grind, man. That's a long-ass grind. But usually I'm happy to just basically jump around and play any BR. Right now, Milf wanted to play some, and I think BR5. Yeah, right now I'm playing BR5. Are you there, Milf? Yeah, only BR1. Yeah, you'll get there, man. It's just a pretty deep grind. But, I mean, you've played War Thunder, you know how it goes. War Thunder is even worse, because it's been around for longer. Let me just copy that. NMD... Yeah, I knew it was something like that. I saw it on... There we go. Get in the friend list, get in the group. I saw it on Lime stream, I think. But yeah, I didn't remember it. That's just random words. Are you okay with BR5 Any? Or do you prefer something else? You're going for the M3 with the flamethrower? You can play anything. Alright. Watch out with the flamethrower, by the way, Vivo, because if you use the flamethrower, you will be put in BR3. And it's pretty annoying if you have like one BR3 gun and the rest of your stuff is still BR1. So try to keep it at somewhat level. It just says the M3 with the flamethrower? What? I don't think there is an M3. There's these two, the M1 and the M1A5. Oh wait, do you mean the tank? Which, yeah, I'll send you an invite again. There we go, let me get these rewards. Oh no, I'm not getting MG kills. The tank, oh yeah, that tank is real fun. Sorry, I thought you were talking about like the normal flamethrowers. But yeah, the M3 Stewart with flamethrower is a really funny tank. Like, you will die a lot. You'll die easily. But just rushing into the enemy lines and flamethrowing anyone over is really funny. Especially if you succeed. At the moment you face a tank, you're basically just dead. Win a battle, destroy 6 enemy tanks. Gonna be annoying. There we go. BR5 Annie. Oh, I only need like 1.9k for the event. Do we get anything from the event today? We are at stage 4 out of 5. Oh, I was still looking. I don't think we get anything. I think we get something tomorrow, if I'm correct. No way I'm capturing anything here. There's a hunt? Oh, there's a different hunt. Yeah, there's nobody I know. Oh, we're defending over here. Yeah. This can be a real slaughter. I'm gonna spawn in with my AT squad. Just gonna try to get those tank kills over with. But first of all, we're gonna build a spawn. Just have the man screaming to die. There we go. Build a spawn. Actually, the rest of the squad stay on the point. We can do this ourselves. Hello, Tonka. Enemy bombers are approaching. Oh, come on. Let me kill this. There's another tank back there. Dang it. Let me spawn. There we go. Got spawned. Assist and mark by tank. Okay. Well, okay. Okay. I see how this. Can we spawn? Yeah, we can spawn in the plane. Let's get a meteor. Let's try to hunt the tank. We got 2,000 pound bombs. I see tank shots from back there. Come on, let me mark a tank. Oh, there's an APC. That's something. Just drop one bomb. Let's see if we... Oh, I way overshot that. Oh, we got a triple kill at least. And there's still a tank around. Come on, where's the tank? Give me the bloody tank. Something flying from over there. Okay. We got the tank. Nice. I honestly did not expect that to work as well as it did. That's a friendly... Oh, there's somebody hunting those bombers. Yo, Lucy! Hello, hello. I will get a hydrate. Hang on, let me do this turn first. There we go. Made the turn. Oh god. That enemy plane's just going down. Let's get that hydrate. How you doing, Lucy?
The Lady Lucy says I am so sick of the heat waves.
Oh my god, same. We have nothing compared to you, but my god. I am just fucking dying in 30 degrees here. I can't imagine what you're going through. Yeah, it's painful. The enemy is taking the shadow. Alright, we killed 2 tanks so far. 4 more to go. Wait, what was the other one? We have win a battle and capture a strategic point. We should be able to win this, I think. How's your AC unit doing though, Lucy? I heard you were getting a replacement? Okay, plane, please get out there. This is my airspace and I'm not sharing. No, I'm gonna overshoot. Okay. I was about to say, I'm gonna overshoot it so bad, but we got a tail before that actually happened. Ooh, that's a nice ping. Thank you for the ping, Milif. Oh, I can't hit that from here. Nope, no way. Oh, okay. Okay, I might have screwed that up. We got a quad kill though, so that's good enough. Apparently nobody has another spawn. So I'm just gonna get a new spawn in there and hope we're not too late. I think it's fine though. We have friendlies on the team. Spamming need enemy coordinates. I'm not spamming that bad. Shut up, Reggie. How you doing, man? The company has sold the AC finally sent a replacement, but now they forgot to send it to... Oh god. Wait. Ah, the enemy's over here. Oh god. So now you still gotta wait for the technician to actually get the replacement. That sucks. That really sucks, Lucy. Oh, hello there. Oh, got one of them. Yeah, Ritty. Hello. How are you surviving in this heat, though? Okay. Let's just try to clear out that left flank before they destroy the APC, because I would like to keep the APC. I think it's a pretty good place for an APC. Hello, nobody here, nobody here, nobody. Okay, nobody. Let's send the boys to the point and go on a little exploration here. Seems pretty clear so far. The law's very strict here in Spain. Not even allowed to do basic maintenance on HC without a certificate. Oh god. That's really shitty if they don't serve you. If they don't wanna help you doing the stuff. Oh shit. I was going for a tank, but it didn't even leap around me. Oh, hello there. Quite a bit of them. Oh yeah, that really sucks, Lucy. I hope it gets resolved soon. Yeah, well, all those tanks got blown up. And got shot in the back. Select spawn. Okay, my APC is on fire. Oh, you work during noon. Oh, my condolences. Man, I would die. I would just die the moment I enter Spain. It would be fucking horrible. With this weather, no thank you. Like I said, I already feel like I'm dying over here. I'm just sitting, not doing anything, and I'm sweating my ass off. So yeah, in Spain with like 40 plus degrees, no thank you. Ooh. Oh, 2 of the flamethrowers. Well, I'm happy those are out of the way. I saw shots from back. Nope. Oh, that's friendly. Okay. Enemies starting to capture control point. We need more spawn points. We do need more spawn points. Yeah, sure. Look like you're enjoying our... No, I will not. I most certainly will not, Reggie. I will not trust you on that. My favorite weather is 10 degrees and like a nice northern wind. I love that shit. Give me that every fucking day. It's not that hot. It's only... it's 40.6 inside. Oh my lord. No, thank you. Oh, was about to say I hear something, but yeah, they were behind me. Can I get up? Hello? Nah, I was so close to getting up. Active battle near spawn point. Oh, that spawn's gonna go boom. That spawn is indeed gonna go boom. I'm gonna try to get new APC in there, but they might have overrun it by the time I get there. We'll see though. We'll see how it goes. We come down to 475 so far, so we're still winning. Like losing the point right now ain't too bad. 35.8 outside, so you're trying hard to get... Oh my god. Like I said, we're just hitting lower 30s here, and I am already dying. I think it's like 25 inside now. But yeah, I was not made for summer weather. I will do pretty fine in like Scandinavian winter, I'm assuming. That sounds pretty good to me. The thing I always have is that if it's cold, you can always dress warmer. You can just get like an extra layer of clothes in there. But at some point, if it's hot, there's no way you can just remove any more clothes. At some point you have to skin yourself, and that would not be nice. You miss Norwegian temperatures, I can imagine, Lucy. I would love to like spend summer in Norway. That'd be amazing. Like, you have old people going south for the hot weather, you know. A lot of Europeans go to Spain for the weather during the winter. I'd go to Norway during summer for the weather. I'm happy got that APC in there, otherwise we probably would lose the point by now. Let's get a new spawn point going. Exactly where the old one was, because that's not a bad idea at all. There's somebody over there. Yeah, got him. Maybe don't keep... Oh shit, I ran into Artie. Yeah, smart me. Don't peek the same point you peeked from before. You shot from before. If your enemy has a brain, they will just shoot it. And you will die. All my engines died. I can look if they have a spawn like in trench over there. That's usually a pretty solid place for a spawn if you're attacking. Oh shit, they're shooting. Somebody's shooting from behind. There they are. I didn't kill them. I don't think I even downed them. Alright, no spawns over here. Still somebody dying over there. Oh shit, 6 bullets left. Yeah, but say we ain't gonna hold out long that way. Okay, well let's give it a second try to get a spawn over there. We only have 2 people on the point. That's not good. Not good indeed. Gonna be fine, it's gonna be fine. Nobody's gonna shoot us. Oh god, we can't sprint anymore. Oh no. Okay, lovely. We made it. Built a spawn. Yeah, have to prepare D&D, PC for D&D, even something quite recent. Almost got another thermal throttle. Oh man. Yeah, good luck, Lucy. Good luck in getting that airflow going. And have fun in D&D. I have to wait till the end of the month before I can play D&D. Have an amazing stream. Thank you very much. I hope you have an amazing D&D session. Okay, time to get a new spawn going. I believe I can build one like the farmhouse to the left here. Nope. Get a sprint going. Need anything on governance. I need to enable that spawn. Spanish summers casually breaking up some PCs here and there. Oh my god. The more you guys talk about Spanish summers, the more I'm feeling sorry for you. Like, it's getting so hot that your PC just can't handle it. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. Okay, got the spawn going. That's a jet. That's a friendly jet. I saw somebody to my right and then I got shot from the left. Who needs aim if you can't just blind fire? And hit nothing. Mostly happened to poor lack of maintenance. And then again, if it's like 40 degrees inside, I don't blame the PC for breaking in those scenarios. Definitely. Oh shit, I can spawn the APC. I thought I couldn't spawn the APC. But we can. Okay. Can we go through this farmyard? I think we can. Yeah, there we go. Just break through the wall. Bonk. Oh, nice. We got another rally points. Gonna get one more somewhere back here. I'm not sure if we can like place. No, we can't really place it. Oh, my rally's destroyed. Which? Hello. Let me just want to get in this crater. And that means there's enemies where I built a rally. Go back a little bit. 50 meters. I can see you drive the universal carrier with the dick and not the MG. Yeah, definitely. You have to drive it with the dick, you know. I'm European. We need that stick shift. We need the stick shift. Otherwise, what are we supposed to do? Alright, so let's try to clear out that area and kill him. Also, it's just really funny to kill somebody with the boys thing. And it helps destroy some obstacles. Okay. Let's just call RT on that area. Don't know how smart it is. Insults the French and the Americans. Oh. That's rude. I was just getting there. Wait, how did I insult the French? The French drive stick, if I'm correct. Usually. Like, making fun of the Americans, that's just favorite pastime, you know? I'm European after all. This is my own artillery. I didn't die by it. But let's go. Alright, let's destroy these. Wait. Ah. It already was destroyed, it just didn't look like it. The thick kill cut. Oh shit. Reloading. Hello? Can I please hit? I can. I can also get shot in the back. The baguettes deserve no mercy with their white flag. My god, Reggie, you can't just say that. No matter how true it is, you can't just say that. Oh damn. Milf got a nice kill feed over there. Why are you digging? Alright, so there's probably people up there. If you're sitting over there with your flamethrower, at least be prepared to shoot it instantly. Okay, well, no one there. Somebody here? Yeah. Anybody? Nope. Wait, is that what I think it is? No, it's not. It is not a working APC. It's a destroyed APC. The day that a mod had to check my mess, I'm gonna get banned for just the amount of special tasks. Oh no. Oh no, Reggie. Oh, I got shot. I did see people running in the field. Ah, come on. I was just shooting at people. Don't shoot at me. Is just that particular Spanish-French love, Reggie? Or is it just average European behavior when French is involved? I got shot. I got shot. I shot back. Okay. Oh, nice. We got him on cooldown. That's good. We just rush all the boys to the point. Hold it for a bit and we win. I killed 2 tanks there. At least we're winning the battle. Most probably. And oh, they built a big thing in there. Oh, that did damage them. Got him. That was too funny. Ah, they shot back. And bastards. Alright, let me just put the smoke over there. Oh, there's somebody in there. Okay. Thank you, random teammate, for dealing with it. Spanish is only French and sometimes Brits. Is, how do you say it in English, tradition? Not really close thing, never mind. It's a time-honored tradition, I get that. If somebody is firing the AAs. Alright, GG's there. That was a nice one, Milf. We showed them. Alright, what do we get? We get a booster. What are we getting next? Like, we already got a war, right? Yeah, we're gonna get the MKB next. Yeah, GG's. Let's get that. We can't rotate any of these out. Alright. Yeah, ready whenever you are, Mr. Milf. Probably not gonna go on for too much longer. Oh wait, there's ads playing. I'm an idiot. Not very smart. Since the French betrayed the Spanish during the Napoleonic era, it's a thing, I believe. I mean, yeah, for us it's also being subjugated by the French during the Napoleonic era. It's kind of a thing. But I think that counts for most of Europe. Nice. Alright, I probably won't be playing for too long. Just 1 or 2 more games. I did want to get some in, but I'm also... Just the weather's really beating me down. But I did not want to stream today, so here we are. I'm annoying my cat. That's actually a pretty long wait time for like BR5 Annie on both US and UE servers. Ah, there we go. I just need to start complaining earlier. River Conquest. At least we're attacking this time. Did this map actually get better since the update? I mean, I thought it was better last time I played it, but I don't know if this particular setup is gonna be better, because I believe we still have to cross the river. And that's the most annoying part here. Thank God I missed, otherwise I would have been your team with a shitty map. Yeah. I mean, it did get, like, less bad since the update, but it's still not my favorite. Yeah, definitely not my favorite. Alright, let's get a first spawn over here. Just want to make sure we have at least one spawn on this side of the river, even if it's like 100 meters out. We're shooting from over here, I think. Oh yeah. Now, if I looked the right way, I would have gotten that one. But I most certainly did not do that. Ah, dang it. I feel like I shot first there. Oh, I shot first there. Or close enough that I won the 1-on-1. Planting the springladungen. As I say, there are so many maps in this game that have core issues that we kind of add a couple of things here and there. Yeah, that is how I feel about this map. Although I generally like, once you get past this part, I do really like the map. I think it's a fun one. It's just the first point that's really annoying. Also pretty sure somebody put an AP mine on my rally. That lizard feet guy. Yeah, got it. Anti-AP. Ooh, got a full 9-man with that AP in mind. That's pretty good, man. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Yeah, there's nobody close enough to stop the defuse. Oh, what the fuck is shooting? Alright, let me get in there. Alright, just send the rest of the guys to the point. By the time we've built a spawn, we can... we're probably in the middle of the action. Yeah, there we go. First bot already killed. Alright, let's go. 50 meters out. That's pretty good. Alright. I hear an engine. I'm just not entirely sure where from. This, as far as I'm aware, since I don't play this map, the Alpines, no more. Yeah, I don't think they do the middle river one anymore, which is a really good choice, because that point was just horrible. Oh my! Excuse me. What was that throw? Okay. Oh, my rally point's destroyed. God damn it. But yeah, still really annoying having to... Damn it. It's still really annoying having to cross the river, build a spawn this side of the river, keep those up. It's just... Yeah, I generally don't really like that map. It's gotten less worse, but it didn't get good. At least that's how I feel about it. Double kill, let's go. Come on. There we go, got the kill. Can we... I mean, I could try to build like a spawn over here. And let's hunt the spawn we heard over here. It's behind here. There it is. Oh, let's get out, get out, get out. Is our spawn up? I think it is. I'm just hoping the bot finished stuff. I saw them coming in. Okay. It's got lizard feet again. There's a tank. There's a tank moving right behind me. I don't like that. do not like it. It's not behind me. I think it's going over there. Your rally point's been destroyed. That's rude. Tank, Tonka. Yeah, I was about to say, I don't think that's gonna do a whole lot. Are they defusing? I think they are. I think they are defusing. Oh, nice. Come on. Okay. Wait. What? Yeah, about to say. Nice. Whew. All right. Well, that was probably the toughest one. Other destructions are always tough, especially after you get the first one, because then they just focus on the other one and your defense is probably in shambles. Come on, let me, please, just a little bit of a build. Yeah, there we go. I don't know if you noticed, last week there was a bunch of leaks of infantry from just a bunch of Cold War weapons named for one. Oh, that's interesting. I didn't know that. No. Wait. What? What? Weapon really get destroyed? I didn't place a new one. But yeah, that's pretty cool, Reggie. I'm really interested to see what Warframe is going to do with the whole infantry and combined warfare thing. Like they did show a little bit with World War One event, but there was more AI infantry, which is a cool idea, but it's not really. It's not really, you know, a competitor to Enlisted. But I'm interested to see how they implement playable AI. Yeah, classic builds your rally and get on top of... Yeah, I've never seen that. Like... Oh. Like what I do know about is accidentally placing like a new rally. That does happen to me semi-often. Like you build your rally and then you left mouse click accidentally and it's like, well, you got a second rally now. Or your rally is destroyed and you get a new one. Okay, hello Tonka. Somewhere back there, over there. Hello. There we go. Marked it. Nobody up in here, nobody. Let's get the plant. God, I'd be so happy if I get this plant. I hate it when the step of the... Yeah, it's really annoying. Like, you just want to build your rally and, you know, get out of there. And now you gotta be like, oh no, I need to build a new one. God dang it. But yeah, I've never seen it happen in that way. Oh, hello, tank. Nice to see you here. Probably should get another rally going. There's no one defending the... I'm just gonna try to rush it, I guess. We'll see. Because I do need to cap a strategic point. Oh, there's nobody here? Okay, lovely. Nobody on it. Fucking go. Place the bots over there. Get shot in the back. Ah, shit. No! No! Okay. We'll probably have to go, like, over here, build a rally. Be a responsible teammate. Oh, they got so many levers. I got Lizard Feet left. That was their top player. Okay. We're probably not going to be able to defend this one. Yeah, there they go. They defused it. Also need to get first of the team, and we're not on the way to do that right now. Well, let's start out with the rally point over here. Come on, get in here, boys. Please get off the rally point. Thank you. What's going on? Why are people firing from back here? Because there's enemies over here. Would not expect that. Please get here. Please let me burn you. Actually, squad, get to the point. Alright, second flamethrower. Don't forget, flamethrowers always come in pairs. Okay. Time to get the plant. Alright, we got the rally. Somebody's coming in with a nade launcher, it seems. Okay, I'm gonna sit on this side because I feel like we're mostly getting attacked from the other side. Come on, let me do it. Yeah, there we go, we got the plant. That's all that we wanted. I wanted to go boom as well, but you know, step 1 is planting. Step 2 is waiting for it to go boom. Okay. Enemies. I saw that guy attacking, so he probably must have respawned recently. Okay. So they're probably gonna go in from over there. They maybe have a spawn like over there as well, like other side of the point. Yeah, RT on top of the point. This point is not really helping a lot. I'm guessing not everybody knows that. Wait, did we get it? Yeah, we got it. Nice. Let's fucking go. That's our capture point. Okay. Time to get a new rally. I thought it was an enemy, but it's not. We can... I tried to build a rally over here. I don't know how good it will stand, but it's a good starting point. Excuse me? Oh, friendly plane was shooting at me. Okie dokie. Throw smoke over there to cover, hopefully. And go for the plant. Oh shit, that's enemy RT on our rifle route. Don't see any enemies in that direction though. So I'm just suspecting they're all coming in from the front. There we go, got the plant. Time to run out and see if we can find any enemies. Nobody seems to be close in this direction. They might be coming in from like a completely different direction. The rally point's been destroyed. Oh, that sucks. Okay. Get a new one over here. I doubt this rally point will stand for very long, but you know, better than nothing. The plant still stands. Oh, we got it. Nice. I'm just gonna leave this rally for now. It's a pretty unexpected direction to attack from, and I find that usually helps. A 100 bullets, 3 kills, definitely worth it. Oh, Tonka. How much is Tonka? Is for me? I don't think it's gonna be for me, but we can try. Please be for me? No. No. Oh, we got it already. Damn. GG's there. That was pretty good. Yeah, some of that guys leaving was pretty shitty for them. Can't imagine that helped. I think that's gonna be the worst one to get. That's even worse. Let me have a look at the time. It's It's basically dinner time. Hang on 1 second. Ah, shit, yeah. Alright, sadly, I do have to leave it at that for today. So I am gonna go and head off to have dinner. So yeah, I want to thank everybody for being here. Thank you for chatting, following, lurking, whatever the heck you did. I do appreciate it as always. I'm gonna have a little look-see. And if there's somebody else online, we can raid. Oh, Tessie's online. Yeah, we can raid Tessie. I will be back on Monday. Probably doing some programming. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend. And I hope to see you all Monday. Bye bye.